What if I told you that you could use the market acceleration force to predict your next buy or sell move? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how I use the SMA 5 together with the acceleration forces of crypto and market indexes to enter precise trades. So first of all, the SMA 5 helps us to track short-term price directions, while the acceleration force shows how strong the market is moving. And when these pairs are used together, they give off powerful entry signal. So move over to our client's website and watch the chart. So this is the forex acceleration force, and when the acceleration force moves below the SMA 5, when it crosses below the SMA 5, it signals that the market is about to push forward. And at that point, we look for a sell. So here we can see that the market is preparing to push forward because it is going down. It has crossed below the SMA 5 at this point in time. This is the right time to place a trade because after now it's going to go lower than this. So we either place the trade or enter immediately after this course or on a slight pullback. Mind you, if the price has already moved far up, that entry is already late. Okay, so to place the buy trade, but watch out for when the acceleration force crosses above the SMA 5. So similar with the sell, we'll enter immediately after the cross or on a slight pullback when the acceleration force crossed above the SMA 5. So right here, the acceleration force crossed above the SMA 5 at this point in time. This is the period where a trader places a buy trade or enters a buy trade at this point. Well, if the cross has dropped significantly, the entry is late and it's not advisable to also place a trade. So the strategy here is just timing. Early cross, best entry, late move poses a high risk. So now I'll go to my MD5 account and display a live demonstration of this. So this is an ADSE chart and we can see here that the price is dropping. So this is the right part to place a sell order, place a sell trade, and for buy using the BTC USD when the acceleration first crosses above the SMA 5, we buy. So we can see here that the charts are going up and this is the appropriate time to place a buy trade while the charts are still going up. You could think of the acceleration force as the market's engine and the SMA 5 as the road guide. So when the engine shifts position relative to the road, it tells you where the market is about to go to. Bear in mind though that this is not a financial advice. Always manage your risks and never trade money that you cannot afford to lose. If you want to learn how I combine the market index with this strategy for more accurate entries, check the link in my description and join my Telegram channel. See you in the next video. Until then, happy trading.